I actually have two pet UGC example videos that I'm going to share in this video. Hopefully it helps. Again, for anybody who's just learning about pet UGC, you get paid to create content. It stands for user generated content. You get paid to create content for companies like pet companies that need more content for their own social media or to run as their own social media ads. So these two videos are the perfect example of pet UGC, where you get hired by pet companies where you don't have to post it to your own social media accounts. You literally just get paid to create the content, send it to the brand so they can use it for their own purposes. This is why you don't need followers to do this. You don't need to have your pet be an influencer. Anyone can do this if you're willing to learn how to take your phone, how to film about a product, a pet product with your pets. Maybe you're in it, maybe you're not. I'll show you these two different examples that'll make more sense. Yeah, hopefully this helps, but these are pet UGC example videos. Again, if you want to get started, I have a free UGC checklist that would help you get started and allow you to get your pets, put your pets to work and make some money from them and with them and have some fun and get some free products doing it in 2025 and beyond. Bougie cats require bougie things, and mine wanted this smart pet feeder from PawSync. App-controlled, tailored recommendations based on our cat's life stage, weight, and body condition, custom feeding schedule, a smart scale, and reliable daily feedings, even when we aren't home, means less worry. It also beats shaking this thing to get the food to come out every day. You simply plug it in, fill it up with cat food, and then hop on over to their PawSync app on iPhone or Android. I have an iPhone because they're better than Androids, but that's not the point. The app is set up, is super easy, only took a few minutes of connecting it to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then creating a custom feeding schedule, 3 times a day for Leo and Luca. It dispensed the food right away like absolute magic, and now their not so bougie old dispenser is in the trash where it belongs.